Welcome to Life
with Tisha.
and Lisa.
Let's see how well we know each other.
I think that my sister's biggest pet peeve is people being in our business, being nosy.
I thought you would have said mess. I don't know.
That is true.
Nobody like anybody in their business anyways.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I don't like anybody in my business.
Yeah.
But I thought it would be the first one for people to like pry
Yeah.
or be nosy in your business.
I'm very private. Very, very private.
Yeah.
But in terms of, messiness, it's really up there too.
Okay.
Yeah. Yours? Oh,
And you
yes.
can answer.
Oh God! No, I think she get tired of people easily. I mean, I know. Is that it?
Me feel like that's a person, like, me feel like I do have that
Okay.
personality, but me feel like,
That's not your biggest pet peeve?
no, me feel like my biggest pet peeve is just people who are just ungrateful.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that didn't even. Yeah.
Never? Yeah.
No.
Yeah, me hate pour into people and like, they're just not grateful.
Yeah.
I think that it's definitely Survivors, because y'all are locked into Survivors ever since I came here. Has to be Survivors. I don't see you watching anything else.
No. Anything crime content, like crime content on YouTube. Yeah.
Yeah.
That.
That
yeah.
is true.
Yeah.
But I always felt like you did that while you're doing, other stuff like cooking, baking, stuff like that. You listen to that, but like whenever you're like in the living room watching TV, it's normally Survivors.
No, I just feel like Nigel, for this period, we've gone back on Survivor. But no, I'm a YouTube crime content on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm that girl.
Okay. And what's mine?
Keeping up with the Kardashians.
She got that right. She
Yeah.
got that right. I love me some Kardashians.
Yeah.
I love them so much. I'm gonna take a jab at my sister and say that her guilty pleasure is drinking coffee 24/7 and scrolling social media.
Coffee, yes. Social media, no.
No? More YouTube.
Yeah, more YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when you're scrolling, you're actually watching YouTube, not like random TikTok or anything.
I don't
like
know if I scroll enough for it to be a guilty pleasure.
that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But I did get the coffee right.
Yeah.
She will
Yeah.
drink coffee morning, noon, night, midnight.
Yeah. Yeah. Bad.
All right. What's mine?
Her phone and sweet snack, chocolate.
You are correct.
Really?
I have chocolate. Mm-hmm.
Her PR.
Oh, I do, guys.
Her PR.
And my sister is the opposite. She wants to be in Jamaica right now. She wants to move right back to Jamaica and just live a nice, simple life up in the hills.
Country. Off the grid. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
complete opposite.
Yeah.
So we nailed that one.
Okay.
Jackfruit. Jackfruit and sardine and crackers. She will eat. Oh my God, guys.
Okay. I think jackfruit, sardine and crackers, I love it. I don't know if I would eat it all the time.
But every day.
Not every day. No.
Yeah?
Mm-mm. No, there's other options, but like jackfruit, I can have jackfruit every day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She can. She will. And what's mine?
I'm gonna say chocolate.
Chocolate?
I don't know,
But
chocolate.
nothing specific?
Like the white chocolate,
Hershey? And
Hershey white chocolate. Yeah.
And Nutty Buddy.
You like the Nutty Buddy that much?
Yes, I love it. You don't know that?
But I didn't know you could eat it every day.
I could. I
Really?
could have one every day. A Nutty Buddy.
Really?
Or a Hershey chocolate.
And not food, just snack.
Yeah. I'm not. That's the thing. I don't love food like that. Sweet is my problem. I don't even eat that much. I'm a big girl, but I don't even eat that much. Sweet is my problem. Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know you like the Nutty Buddy, so I have to go look feet then.
No. No, absolutely not. I feel like maybe either, yeah,
Okay.
maybe like a stylist or a nurse. I'm just I'm kind of guessing the nurse, but also the hairstylist because you've gone to school for it. You've been doing it ever since you're young. So I'm kind of like, maybe you wanted to be like a stylist.
No, no. I wanted to be a pediatrician.
So I'm kind of near to nurse.
Don't say that. Well, I said doctor.
Okay.
I wanted to be a pediatrician.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not too late.
Yeah.
Okay.
You?
Yeah.
Why do I feel like you wanted to be a pediatrician?
No.
You wanted to be a nurse?
No.
Really? I don't know then. A nurse.
I've always wanted to either be a customs officer or an immigration officer.
Really?
Yep.
When you were a kid?
Yep. I used to love seeing the customs officers in Jamaica in their white and black or the white and gray. I think the white and gray is the immigration officer, and then like when we go passport officer and so on. I don't know. And then when we start travel on top of it, and then we get exposed to traveling to foreign countries, and we see how militant they look.
So you just wanted the uniform?
Maybe. But me did really infatuated by, customs officers and
immigration.
And yeah.
You still can do the immigration.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
You know that, right?
Yeah. It's a bad habit, and I'm proud of it.
Well, I'm gonna say she's always on her phone. I don't know if anybody's proud of being on their phone. I don't know. I don't know. She loves fashion. She loves skincare.
But is that a bad habit?
No, not really. It can be, right?
Yeah.
Buying all these stuff. It can be money-wise. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I actually put lazy. I am lazy.
Oh my
and
god.
I really don't care.
That's like that is so bad.
Okay, so a bad habit that I think you have, and I think you're proud of it, is your resting face.
Is it a bad habit though?
Yes, to have a resting face.
But it's not a habit. I feel like I cannot help the way all my face look. I can't help it. Like, I don't feel like, I don't even think about how my face look when I'm out and about.
Yeah.
I don't think anybody does.
Yeah.
Yeah. Unless you're in an environment, like a work environment, and you want to come off a certain way, then you're going to make an effort to always...
To adapt or change.
You know what I mean? But, I don't know. Yeah. I mean, I kind of like it.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so then people know, say, listen,
I kind of like
friendly.
it. Yeah, I kind of like it. You know, stick to me. Yeah.
You see that?
I'm joking.
I guessed that you were 13.
I know this will I do, but I'm going to drink.
No, you forget now what my age was.
I have 15.
15?
Yeah.
14.
14?
Yeah, so close.
Oh, 14 young, you know?
Very young. That's
Let me
actually
drink
bad.
some more. My
No,
mother
it
now
could be
gonna know.
15.
I'm a children them now gonna know.
I think I was in 9th grade.
9th grade?
Yeah, so and if me leave high school 16, so yeah, 14, 16, 15, 14.
I'm sure Nigel want me to answer, but me not answer.
I would say 12.
No,
Yeah.
no.
What age?
13.
Okay, close.
Yeah.
Close. Mine is 13 too.
I mean, if you guess.
Oh.
I was gonna guess 12, but
Yeah?
yeah.
Yeah,
I
well,
was gonna
13.
guess 12.
13, just like you.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, so we have that in common.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chose over the phone. And the reason why I chose over the phone is because my sister's husband was living in Jamaica. She was living in Canada. So I kind of surmised that it has to be that way.
No.
No?
No. I got engaged in Jamaica in McDonald's.
What?
Don't laugh. You know what? McDonald's back then was a bougie restaurant.
At Bay West? Because that was the only one we had.
Bay West.
Yeah.
When
I
you
think
go
one was
by
on-
clock.
Oh, there was one,
Yeah.
one with their clock with
Yeah,
you.
yeah, out there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah.
Okay. I mean,
We were just eating and he put the ring on the table.
yeah.
Yeah.
Aw.
I was embarrassed. I'm like, what are you doing? And I push it back.
What?
Yes, I was.
Why are you embarrassed?
I was young. I was very young. So that's how I had, I mean, I wanted it.
Yeah.
And then after, and he didn't get down on his knee. He just put it on the table.
So is that why you were embarrassed? Because he didn't.
No, I just felt like, you know, I maybe the attention of it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, the attention of it.
Yeah.
But he did eventually. He got down on his knee eventually.
Yeah.
And I was embarrassed a little bit. I don't know. It was just the attention.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, then that's fine.
I'm gonna say they were home. I think Ryan is more like a homebody, private person. I feel like you guys were home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
It was so with Ryan and I. It was like I just let him know, hey, time to get married, and then he just bring the ring, come home and give it.
That was it.
Yeah, like just maybe a few days after, just come and.
So it was at home.
Yes, it was.
It was at home.
Yeah.
See, I got that right.
Nothing exciting.
That's okay.
But I like the McDonald's.
Really? Listen, anytime I tell anybody McDonald's, they laugh off at me. Yeah, they do.
Not McDonald's was a thing back in the days.
Yeah. In probably say if him have money.
You know, saying when I say something like that for true, but me can remember more. No, wait. I don't want to tell you my answer.
I mean, I guess your answer.
Oh, yeah.
Done.
So yes, that was one thing, but I remember mostly him just laughing.
Oh.
You know? I feel like I may get that from just
The
laugh.
laugh
Yeah, me laugh favorite thing.
But was he laughing or was he,
I feel like it was
awkwardness or was he laughing at you?
I don't think he was at me. It was more like, that is not the type of person where go say, oh, congratulations, or, stuff like that. He go just laugh. And when he laugh, if a cussing know it bad, so if he laugh, it must mean say, he happy for you, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So, yeah, assume, in your case, you didn't live in Canada again. Did he suggest your papers? Nigel,
No. He just asked if Nigel have family have money. So Nigel called him, and him say, you have money? Like,
no, sir.
so yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wonder if your family rich or if you're rich. Yeah.
Only Cliff.
Yeah. So I'm gonna guess hers.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say Kenisha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it?
Yeah, that's my answer.
Okay, well, I have 3.
No, pick one.
Really?
Yes, pick one.
It's hard.
Pick one.
Oh my God. I love Kenisha, but I didn't have just Kenisha.
But you know, most of your, when you went into adulthood, was spent with Kenisha. Like, was it from 18?
Probably young.
Yeah,
Probably very young.
Yeah.
But I feel like
So
I have like a special love.
bond with her.
Yeah, I mean, also have a special bond with you.
Yeah.
And, as much as whatever, I love Greg.
Okay.
Greg is my heart.
Okay.
And I love Tyrion too. So that's, I would say, top 4. Based also on...
She can't choose.
It's hard to choose.
choose.
It's hard to choose because, like, we have different relationship with the top 4, let me just say. Right? And I love all my siblings, but it's just that, you're going to have siblings that you communicate with more.
Yeah.
And because of that, you have a certain relationship with.
And listen, different period of your life call for different things.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
And
So-
we have too many.
So it's kind of hard to keep up with everybody.
Yeah.
And then for me, what I think,
We
who I
gonna
think
guess?
your favorite sibling is definitely Tyrion.
No, well, okay. So she is my favorite, but I have a special love for her.
Yeah.
I do have a special love. Maybe because she's the smallest one.
I'm the
Well, you still feel like you're the smallest
Okay.
one.
I'm the
So I
smallest.
do have a special love for her.
Okay.
And right now we're bonding. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what about the other siblings?
I love all of them. but I don't feel like I've spent enough time with all of them.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's critical.
Yeah.
I feel like you can know somebody's a sibling, but if you don't spend time with them, there's no relationship.
Yeah, there's not much
Yeah.
there. Yeah.
You ever cheated?
No.
Never flirt? Nothing?
I
I
mean,
mean, if you answer that, Okay, if you answer that. But I did have no. I did have no.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
I guessed right.
Have you ever cheated?
Back in the day, yes.
On whom?
Ryan, but he cheap on me too.
These
So-
people are gonna say they see a different side of Mrs. Hale. Let me tell you that.
But back in the day, he cheap on me too. So let's just call it cheap. But since we've been married, absolutely not. Let me make that clear.
That. Okay. Moving on.
She can actually dance, guys. She can actually boogie down. So I see y'all on TikTok talking about, oh, you're not sure who they broke out. Oh, listen, my sister can dance. And I rest my case. So come, what's mine?
Okay, so mine is Lisa, she had the life of the party. Okay? And in terms of dancing, she can dance and she love dance.
I love dancing.
Yes, you do.
I do.
You do.
And I love music.
So broke out. Don't make her weight fool you, okay? Strong knees.
Guys, I hope you loved this video. Please subscribe, share.
Like.
Bye.